Thanks for tuning in, guys and gals and folks. So the work continues here in the utility room. My next few videos of electrical is kind of pretty choppy. It took me a couple months to do it, so just because I can only do like 30 minutes, an hour at a time, and when you don't know what you're doing and you're doing it by yourself, 10-minute project takes 10 days. So yeah, so take a look at what this video is about. So the utility room, I am now moving to the electrical stuff. And then I'm going to have a square box there with an outlet, and then these blue tape is where there's going to be a box right there. That's where the like a light's going to go. So box there where the light is, and then that's just to kind of help keep a straight line. You guys think I have enough toilet paper? Yeah, and then to do this whole line, to make sure I was kind of doing a straight line, so that when I would put the conduit in, it would at least go into the couplers things. What I used was this cross-line laser level. I did a video on this. This thing's great, and basically I had it set up but on the stand, but like for an example, it's beeping now because it's not level. It's leveling itself right now. Maybe I'll put it on the floor. There it goes. So what I did was I used like the green to draw my line, and then I put tape so that I've got a reference point. But I like this cross line level. And it's rechargeable, so it's pretty cool. It's Hupar, but yeah, it works great. So what I'm doing is, these are metal boxes, the 3/4 inch conduit, and on these metal boxes they didn't have any outlet because they're supposed to be outdoors, so you're not going to do this outdoors. So this here was just a straight cover. So what I did, and you can see my beautiful work in there, look at that. Isn't that cut just absolutely amazing? You know, that cut right there, for somebody who doesn't have a clue on what he's doing, that one turned out pretty good actually. So all I did to make that cut, so here's like the metal box covers that I was using. So I would take a regular cover and I'd kind of try to square it out, make sure that the edges were all fine, square as possible, and then I would take a marker and mark it. Then I took, and I know you guys like to see it in action, but unfortunately because I didn't know what I was doing, I didn't videotape it. I took a drill bit, a good sized drill bit, popped a couple holes in here so I could get a metal blade jigsaw, and I just jigsawed this whole thing out, and then I took a file and smoothed it off. And then I took this paint, this hammered silver, and I painted everything. But yeah, I painted the box, I painted this, I painted this, I painted this. I just didn't paint these. So as you can see, that's a different color, that's gray. Alright, let me go ahead and do some more work and show you what it looks like later. So there you go. Work continuing here on the homestead, slowly but surely. It's coming along. Thanks for tuning in. See you. Bye. Have fun.